everyone! It is Friday, and you know what that means? It's Funny Friday. Here's your joke today. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? Any guesses? A dino snore! Get it? Snore, dinosaur, snore. Love it. So today, for our morning meeting, our greeting, and our share, you are going to go on Padlet and you're going to type your favorite joke to share with your classmates today. Then we have another student spotlight, our last one of the week. And then you're going to check in with me and tell me how you are feeling on this fabulous Friday. You will be reading today, and then you're going to be doing a really cool writing activity today. This week in reading, we've been working on point of view, so that stories are told from different characters' perspectives. You are going to put yourself in the shoes of either a dog or a cat, and you're going to write a story from their perspective. So make sure you watch the video about all the things that you need to include, and then you're going to write. After you are finished writing your story, you're going to actually log into Flipgrid and you're going to read your story for the class, okay? And you want to do it in an expression that sounds like your character, okay? With nice, great fluency. After you do that, you have a brain break activity. For math today, all you need to do is log into iReady, and then you will be completing your last special activity today. And then your day is over, and it's time for the weekend. So I can't wait to see your jokes today. I hope I'm laughing all day long from them. Have a fabulous Friday, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, friends.